Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore the best practices for a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular fitness practices worldwide, yoga. Yoga is not just a form of exercise, it's a way of life that can help you achieve physical, mental, and emotional well-being. We'll be discussing the amazing benefits that yoga can have on your fitness, and why you should make it a part of your daily routine. Increased flexibility. One of the biggest benefits of yoga is increased flexibility. Yoga involves different stretches and postures that help to stretch and loosen up the muscles. With regular practice, you'll notice that your body becomes more flexible, and you're able to move more freely. This can also help to reduce the risk of injury during other physical activities. Improved strength. Yoga is a low-impact form of exercise that uses your body weight to build strength. It focuses on building strength in your core, arms, legs, and back. This can help to improve your posture and prevent back pain. In addition, the strength you build through yoga can help you in other areas of your fitness routine. Better balance and coordination. Many of the yoga postures require balance and coordination. With regular practice, you'll notice that your balance improves and you become more aware of your body's movements. This can help to improve your overall fitness and reduce the risk of falls. Reduced stress and anxiety. Yoga is known for its calming effect on the mind and body. The breathing exercises and meditation techniques used in yoga can help to reduce stress and anxiety. This can help to improve your mental health and overall well-being. Increased energy and stamina. Yoga involves controlled breathing and relaxation techniques that can help to increase energy and stamina. This can help you to stay active throughout the day and improve your performance during other physical activities. So there you have it, the amazing benefits of yoga for your fitness routine. With regular practice, you can improve your flexibility, strength, balance, reduce stress and anxiety, and increase your energy and stamina. So why not give it a try? Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity of your practice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. See you in the next video.